Baby.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early Monday morning. This is the way we wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. This is the way we wave hello so early Tuesday morning. This is the way we clap our hands, clap our hands, clap our hands. This is the way we clap our hands so early Wednesday morning. This is the way we tap our toes, tap our toes, tap our toes. This is the way we tap our toes so early Thursday morning. This is the way we touch our nose, touch our nose, touch our nose. This is the way we touch our nose so early Friday morning. This is the way we stomp our feet, stomp our feet, stomp our feet. This is the way we stomp our feet so early Saturday morning. This is the way we wave goodbye, wave goodbye, wave goodbye. This is the way we wave goodbye so early Sunday morning.
Bak postacı geliyor, selam veriyor. Herkes ona bakıyor, merak ediyor. Çok teşekkür ederim postacı sana. Pek sevinçli haberler getirdin bana. Bugün yalnız bu kadar darılmayınız. Yarın yine gelirim, hoşça kalınız. Haydi git güle güle, uğurlar olsun. Ellerin dert görmesin, kısmetle dolsun. Çok teşekkür ederim postacı sana. Pek sevinçli haberler getirdin bana. Bugün yalnız bu kadar darılmayınız. Yarın yine gelirim, hoşça kalınız.
Buzz, buzz, Bumblebee! I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me. Squish, squish, Bumblebee! I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing